Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you exactly how to install BlueStacks on Windows 11 in 2026. So if you want to play Android games or run mobile apps on your computer, yeah, this setup process is pretty simple and only takes a few minutes. Before installing BlueStacks, make sure your PC meets the basic requirements. You'll want enough storage space, updated graphics drivers, and virtualization enabled for better performance. Next, open your browser and go to the official BlueStacks website. Then click the Download button to get the latest installer for Windows 11. After the download finishes, open the setup file from your Downloads folder. If Windows shows a security pop-up, just click Yes to allow the installation. Now click Install Now. BlueStacks will begin downloading additional files and setting everything up automatically. This part may take a little longer depending on your internet speed. If you notice lag or slow performance, open BlueStacks settings and increase CPU cores or memory allocation. Yeah, this can make games run much smoother on Windows 11, and that's basically it. You've now fully installed BlueStacks on Windows 11 in 2026. Now you can enjoy Android apps and games directly on your PC with keyboard and mouse support. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next guide.